Looking at Ethan?
Lola, hindi. Moving on na rin naman po ako eh. Tsaka marami pa akong issues sa buhay.
Nabanggit na sa akin ng mga boys ang tungkol sa pamilya mo. About your dad. You know, having another junior.
Alam po nila yung tungkol dun.
Bakit? Hindi mo alam na alam nila? Sila ang dahilan kung bakit nandito ka ngayon. They wanted to cheer you up, to make you happy.
Siya talaga iniisip ko.
Billy! Tara, let's dance!
Sir Joy, hindi ako sumasayaw eh. Thank you na lang. Kasi Lola, sumayaw?
Naku, my whole body is millennial. Pero not my bones. Sad to see. Please, ikaw na lang sumayaw. Dance with her. Go, go. Forget about me. Go. Go dance. Dance with him. Come on.
Sige na, Billy, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Ano ba? Hindi naman talaga ako marunong sumayaw.
It's okay, I'll teach you. Step on me.
Huh?
Step on me.
Sigurado kayo?
Yeah, go on. Kahit mabigat ka, I can carry you.
Sige. Up, up. Ganyan?
Yeah.
Ganyan? Tapos,
Now we dance. Diba? I told you I can carry you.
It's so nice to see you happy.
Not even Lola March! See? See, I can carry Billy.
Grabe ka naman, hindi ka naman makapaniwala na carry mo ko.
balik na tayo dun, Sir Jai. Si Lola March nag-iintay.
Oh, one last.
Di ka pahilo, ah. Yung mga mata mo na naman, susumbong kita kay Mariko, eh. Alam mo, sir, hindi ka pa rin nagbabago, no? Ikaw ba, kahit minsan, inisip mo magseryoso naman?
Come on, calm down. All of you guys think that I'm a playboy and that's not true. This is my way of finding the right one. Ayoko magaya sa kuya ko. Arrange yung marriage niya and he's not happy. Well, for me, I want to live life as if this is my last one. And if I have to spend it with just one person, it should be someone really special.
Yun naman pala, sir. May goal ka rin naman pala.
Oo naman. I wanted to be a doctor. Nasa India, pre-med ako.
Talaga po? Uy, maganda yun. Ituloy niyo yun, sir. At saka sa panahon ngayon, marami nangangailangan ng mga funny doctors na katulad mo. And I'm sure, magiging proud sa'yo ang kapatid mo.